So right now, look how it like glows on the phone. I have 26-mile range for just electric, and I have 349 miles for gas and electric hybrid, which since I got the car, I've had the car for 11 days now. I've not had to fill up my car once. I still have that many miles after driving for 11 days. It's pretty crazy. So I've just been playing around with it. I've been driving to and from work just on electric, which is amazing. And then it leaves about those last 4 dashes. It's hard to see. Let me try to these last 4 dashes right here, it leaves that. So this is the 26 miles and up. This last 4 dashes is what it leaves in its reserve to power the car hybrid. That's what I've noticed so far anyways, and it's been pretty fun, and she's a smooth ride. Love driving her. And then it's also cool because there is a sport mode. So when you're in drive, you can kick this guy over and drive in sport modes. So you can get even extra power. So there's lots of fun things that she can do that I'm still discovering. I just had to use my defrosters for the first time, and I cannot explain to you how fast they worked. I have never seen defrosters work that fast. On the front window and the back window, it was like pretty insane. I basically reversed out of my driveway and my windows were clear. That was pretty cool. So if you couldn't tell, I'm still a little sicky, obviously. I mean, this is the 3rd day, a little stuffier than yesterday, and now I have like a little coffee cough, but I'm surviving. I just took as I can. So I'm gonna wait 15 minutes before I eat or drink anything, but I have my water right here ready to go. And yeah, I'm gonna take a Claritin D and a little bit too to try to clear up some of this stuffiness. Just plugged in the baby. Oh my gosh, did you see that? So you open the car, they open, lock the car, they close. Super fun. Gosh, I'm still so stuffy. Heading into the house. I think Matt wants to do the Christmas tree decorations tonight, so we'll see how long I can last. Let's see. Oh, look who it is. Look at the good girl. What are you doing? Come here, baby. Come here. Oh, let me put my umbrella down. Oh, I'm so sorry. I scared you. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Aww. Hey, a little Alka-Seltzer before we decorate the tree, you know? Hopefully it helps. And well, I gotta be festive. I have my soup. Just FYI, these noodles are legit. We were gifted them when we went to like an Asian market, and gosh, I don't even know where I could find these again. I only have 2 packets left, but I thought this was the perfect time for noodle soup. This is so good. It's almost like an oven mitt, except it has like a little angle on it, but you can now hold your hot bowls of soup. I love this thing. My mother-in-law got it for me. Thank you, Kathy. So when I was putting up my trees, I 100% forgot to put the lights on the memory tree. So I got these at Costco maybe a week and a half ago, 2 weeks ago. And I think I'm going to use these for the lights. It's battery operated, so I don't have to worry about plugging in a cord. I'm kind of excited. Wow, I think these lights turned out pretty nice. They're so cute. I never would have thought about this had I not started to put up the tree and like, oh no, I don't want to take it all down. But these little lights just fit right on in. It's perfect. And then I don't have to worry about a plug or a cord or anything like that. Happy little accidents, you know? That's where you find a life hack. So if you remember, I said I'm gonna do my tree in black, white, red, and gold. My fancy tree, that is. So we got this pack of ornaments at Costco one year. It came in a big, huge box, but it kind of separated it out. But it came with all these guys, right? So I'm only going to use the ones with red and white on it. And white, obviously. Like, I'm not going to use the green or the turquoise. Last year, I used mostly just turquoise on the tree, which I thought was really pretty. So this year it's gonna be all about the red, baby. It's gonna be all about the red. And these are some really pretty glass ones we got at Costco. Probably about 5 years ago now, but we just love these. So I'm just gonna use the ones with the gold tint. Just hung that guy right there. Oh, don't you just love Christmas trees and how sparkly they are? I just love it. Oh snap, look what I just found in my ornaments. I'm kind of excited. Yes. So I'm gonna share a little trick I do when I decorate the tree. It's all decorated, yeah? But it's pushed back in that corner. It's like, how am I ever supposed to get around that? I leave the back bare. And then these guys, I actually just cut and tuck in to the sides. And that way I don't need to buy so much fabric, ribbon, whatever you're gonna use to wrap your tree. So that one's just a short little one that goes from right there to, let's see, right about here somewhere. Right there. This other one starts like right here and ends where I showed you. Same thing for this one. Starts right there, just goes around to over there. That's kind of what I did for these gold things. I only had 3 of them. So I wrapped the top one completely to here, and then actually I wrapped the top one to about here was the ending point, and I added another one to it, and I wrapped it, and I didn't go all the way around. I cut down into the tree and came back up this way because otherwise I would have not had enough for the front, and because I wanted one more row down here. So then I used the third one, started it down here, and it wrapped all the way around the tree. So that's my little life hack for my Christmas tree. Do you have any life hacks that you do for your Christmas tree? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. I love to learn new things, and if it's that awesome, I'm gonna share it for sure, and I'll shout you out. Ooh, I turned the lights off. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. So sparkly, so glowy. Just love it. But got to turn it off. It's time for this one to go to bed.